guys, welcome back to my channel. Basically, I asked you guys on Instagram what kind of videos that you wanted to see. You said you wanted to see an everyday makeup tutorial. I really don't wear a lot of makeup, like, honestly. And to be clear, I don't necessarily wear this every day. To clear the air, just a disclaimer real quick. I don't wear makeup every day. Some people say that I do, and they think they know everything, but I don't. One thing that I always do is I always do my eyebrows. After I do my eyebrows, what I'll do is I'll do a mascara. I'm going to be using the Color Workshop mascara. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with lashes. A lot of people have asked me where I got my lashes from. I've actually ordered them off Wish for $1, I think.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Is I'm going to do highlight. This is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is my everyday makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down future videos that you want to see in the future. If you made it to the very end, thank you so much. I will see you guys next week in my next video. Bye!